You so fucking precious when you smile. Yeah. Hit it from the back and drive you wild.
Good morning, guys. So I forgot to vlog earlier, so I'm doing it now, but I didn't do anything other than go to cheer practice, you know. Stupid. Just kidding. But today Celine's gonna be coming over, and then this will be, shoot, forgot. But I have cheer camp this weekend. I leave Friday and come back Monday, and then Tuesday I think I'm leaving for the coast, so yeah.
Good morning, guys.
What's up?
It's 10:56.
It's not.
Shut up! I woke up early.
They suck?
Yes.
Mommy?
Shut up. Anyways, I'm gonna insert some clips from this morning, right? Didn't know the flash was on, so my sister put saliva on me, so I pulled her off the couch. It was a pretty aggressive way, if you must know. And then I ran away into my room, and then she comes in with what are those things called? A curtain rod, and hits me on the ankle. It hurt. So I got some muscle cream and I threw it at her down the hall. And my mom yelled at me. It's fine.
Wildfire season is here.
Shut up.
We all need to be ready.
What is up, my dudes? I'm back. I got ready for the day.
I know. Sebastian can tell you.
They don't need to. There's no way the
Why are you looking at me?
bastards came to the throne in France when its crushing bastards came to England.
I got ready for the day. My mom did my hair because I can't do it myself. Sorry for the noise. My sister won't turn down the TV because she's selfish. You're selfish. Anyways, I'll check in with you guys later. Bye.
Hey guys, so I was busy today, so I didn't vlog very much. So
I bet
yeah.
I'll fucking 100 hoes off this mixtape.
That a little bit.
I bet I'll fucking
But I'm on my way home from Chico, and Celine's gonna be on her way soon, maybe, who knows when. But we went to go see my sister's friend in the hospital because she just had her baby.
Only fuck from the back, she got hella ass.
Okay, and then
Got my nut, then I
we
cut,
went
she
to the
was hella
mall.
mad. Send that
Then
money,
we
through, I
went to
pick
see
that shit up
my
hella
mom
bad.
at work. Then we went to Dutch, and then we went to Taco Bell. Taco Bell, that we were in there for like, how long? Like 20 minutes? Yeah. Waiting for our food. And there was this lady in front of us that was reading off a freaking list of what to order. Like, oh my god. But yeah. Well guys, I just woke up. Oops. Celine is finally here. Sure. No. Okay. Hey, good. Okay, so we're going to get something to drink, get something to eat, you know, but I should probably turn on the lights. I think we're gonna go to my fridge tour. Welcome to my crib. We have barbecue on the back. We have orange juice and milk, and then there's taco sauce, cheese,
grapes.
Eggs. Right.
Wine, you know.
Licorice. Gatorade. Chicken broth. Is that chicken?
Where?
Chicken.
Yeah.
Chicken.
We just have a lot of odd stuff in our fridge, you know. We'll go to the freezer now. Okay. So first off, in the top drawer, you know, there's baby milk. Don't know why we have that. There's Go-Gurts. You know, frozen Go-Gurts are disgusting.
Ice.
Ice, you know. That's so hard. There we go.
Why would you bite into that?
Mixed veggies.
I used to put that on my head when my sister threw a rock at me.
Ew, that's gross.
Don't.
Oh well.
Popsicles, Ladder Pops, and
Yeah, my dad called them beaver pops. Don't know why. And then we have drumsticks, and then whatever else is down there. No idea what it is.
that's the end of the freezer tour.
Look at me. They're back to last cheer season.
You guys need a picture of me.
Give us a picture.
It was the cringiest thing ever. I thought I was going to die. This is what she looks like, if you want to know.
Okay, the other one.
And the floss was like...
Okay, we're back. You know, we got our drinks and, you know, our Otter Pops. Look at these. You know, Otter Pops are the best. And
we got chips, and you could write on the bag if you wanted to write a note to your friend.
or your mommy wants to write you a note, you know. My mom doesn't do that.
But if you wanted to write a note to Emily for her school lunch, I would just say,
You trying to get up at 5 o'clock and make me a school lunch?
no, I'll make one at night, and you'll grab it in the morning.
Bro, I'll probably forget. I'm too tired.
I'll put it in something. Beat up anybody who makes fun of you. Yeah.
They know not to mess with me.
Fight
I hope
them.
you know that.
Bite them, punch them in the throat. That's where it hurts.
I know my dad does it to me.
Kaylee does it a lot too.
Bloody toe.
No.
Look at my bloody toe.
Hunter, you're going in our vlog. Say hey.
Oh, great. Follow me or no, subscribe to my channel. My life is Hunter.
We'll put it in the description below.
You want to see my bloody toe?
Nobody wants to see it.
Yes.
Look it, look it, look it.
I can't get the orange juice out.
Watch out.
I lifted the whole
Hold
thing.
this.
Here. Do it both ways. 'Cause I don't know where I want the transition to be.
Girl, I lose myself up in those eyes.